So now that we've sorted out the defining features of news, how do newspaper companies make money? Okay, so revenue for the industry is generated through mostly selling advertising space, which means all your ads, your classifieds, and even your obituaries. And secondly, circulation income. Now, this is money obtained from subscriptions. So companies who order newspapers and have them sent to the office, or newsstands, which is physical sales of newspapers itself. Now, types of advertising here include the classifieds, which are very common. So you see things like apartment listings, even little messages and small jobs or freelance positions. And then finally, you have national advertisements, which are your full pages, your half pages of ads going on. And sometimes these include congratulatory messages, they include advertorials, and so forth. Now, the challenge with this industry is that it's in a decline in Malaysia as well as globally, because as we see, for example, in the UK, this chart here is a projected fall and growth, or negative growth, I would say, of newspaper ad spending. And it's estimated that in the UK, as of 2016, um, there was 1.6 billion pounds spent on newspaper ads. But in 2018, or in March 2017, the projection is that it would drop to 1.27 billion in 2020. So as we can see, it's not an industry that's growing. And of course, to make things even more challenging, in the when we went to visit Media Prima, we also mentioned that today a lot of advertisers prefer to spend their money on digital ads rather than print or broadcast ads. So let's talk about the digital newspaper and how newspapers are coping in today's world. Now, before we go into this, there's a short video for you to watch. When you watch the video, do watch out for um, changes in the industry. That's one. And what are some of the skills that you would need to cope um, with becoming a journalist in today's industry, and as well as to cope with the changes for the workplace.